everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yesterday my first food trivia is about chocolate. So today I will share with you a simple dessert. Can be a snack that is made of chocolate or cocoa powder. A chocolate brownie or brownies. Brownies may be either fudgy or cakey, depending on your ingredients and how you do it. You can put nuts, chocolate chips, marshmallows, frosting, cream cheese, and other ingredients. But today, I will share with you the simple and easy way to make this sweet treat for you and your family. Let's get started. Prepare all ingredients. 3/4 bar or 170 grams of butter or margarine. Butter tastes excellent compared to margarine, but the most prominent taste of this recipe is chocolate. So no problem if we will use margarine. 1/2 cup white sugar. 1/4 cup brown sugar. 1/3 cup cocoa powder. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 2 large eggs. 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, or you can use bread flour. Preheat oven to 350 degree Fahrenheit or 175 degrees centigrade. Prepare 8 by 8 by 2 baking pan by greasing it with shortening or oil, then line it with grease-proof paper. Now, soften the butter or margarine. Mix all the ingredients. Pour the mixture into the baking pan. Spread the mixture evenly. You can add nuts, chocolate chips at this point. Bake for 30 to 40 minutes. You can use toothpick to check if it's done. If few crumbs cling to the toothpick, it's good. If toothpick comes out clean, it's overbaked. Cool the brownies, then slice in a rectangular shape. Then it's ready to serve. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching.